The TVU One wired remote control is a USB-powered device that allows you to start and stop live transmissions from a TVU One device, and it is designed to fit onto the shoulder strap of a TVU One backpack for easy use. To activate a TVU One wired remote, first simply plug it into a USB port on a TVU One, and then in the TVU One's web interface, navigate to the tally light function and enable the remote. Next, through the TVU One's touchscreen, connect to a receiver and briefly take it live. From now on, you can use a remote to start and stop a transmission, and you will see the remote's green power light turning into a red tally light when you have gone live. Finally, just run the cable through the backpack and mount the button to the shoulder strap, and you're ready to go.